Still thinking of what you want to go as for Halloween, so maybe this Frankenstein makeup might help. So let's get started. To start off this makeup, you're going to need a green base. A lot of special effects makeup, or this type of makeup in general, is about stacking color. So start off with a light green base, and from there, continue to go and stack another green base as well. At the edge of where your hairline is, use some darker green cosmetic. Follow along your entire hairline, make sure to get your cheekbones. And what you're going to do is you're going to blend this in a little bit. Make sure to get the inner portion of where your nose and your eyebrows are with a darker green cosmetic. And then go back with a bit of a darker green cosmetic over the light green, and now start to blend everything out as you add more green as well. Make sure to really highlight those cheekbones, get your neck as well, and go back after the cosmetic has dried a bit and start to blend. You can use the same brush that you already had green paint on or green cosmetic on. Also too, you can always add highlights to the cheek area, which will really bring this makeup together and make this makeup look a little bit more pretty and less scary. Add dark green cosmetic over your eyelids. Make sure to get your ears as well. At this part of the makeup as well, make sure to go and spray everything and fix it. And then go and start to use black cosmetic to create lines that you're going to make fake stitches. Create the black lines first. You can put one on your forehead, maybe on your cheeks, kind of see where they work on your face, and then follow up in the middle with white lines. These are going to make it look like it's stitched together on your face. You should also be using the white paint after the black lines have dried fully, so you don't go and smudge all of the black makeup around. I am taking circular makeup rounds that I went and just painted with brown cosmetic, and now I'm just sticking them onto my neck. You could always use corks or anything like that. After you have those stuck down, follow up with another black line with some white lines across it to make some more fake stitches, and also to put some white cosmetic into your hair. After your makeup is fully dried and set, it should look similar to this. This makeup really isn't fully and totally scary, it is more of a beauty kind of spooky look for Halloween, and I hope this has inspired you for your Halloween makeup. Thank you all so much for watching, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I am posting 31 days of Halloween and also special effects makeup, and I hope to see you at the next video.